Hello, I'm Melissa and I am going to show you how to apply glamnetic lashes. So these are magnetic lashes. I have one applied already, and you apply them using a magnetic liner. So they are pretty awesome. I've tried several brands of magnetic lashes and these are definitely my favorite so far. So these are the Lush lashes. And so I already have my eye makeup applied on this eye. And you'll notice I've also applied on, hey Mandy, my black liner on this eye also. So the next step is you're going to use the magnetic liner and you're going to shake it up. And this liner is just your regular liquid liner. And you're going to apply it on top of your black liner where the lashes are going to go. So you want like a decent amount of this since this is what the lashes stick to, but it doesn't need to be a ton. So once you have applied the magnetic liner, you can see like I'm kind of looking down a little bit. You don't want to look too much up. This does take a little while to dry. You're going to let the magnetic liner dry 80%. So you don't want it to fully dry, but you do want it to dry about 80%. And if you look at the liner very closely, after you apply it, you can see it kind of looks wet. So that is how you know it's not dry yet. And so we're just waiting a little bit here in order to get that 80% type of dry. So you're kind of just guessing, but I'm looking in a mirror here and I can tell looking at it, it's not quite there yet. Let me show you these lashes that I really like. These are called the Lush Lash. And one of the things I like about the glamnetic lashes is that they have like the super dramatic, bold lashes that are really fun to wear. This is their longest lash, at least when I purchased. And it gives you kind of just that like really curled, long lash look, a little bit wispy. All right, so we're getting there. We're getting there with the lashes, with the liner drying. So they come with a little magnet strip, and you just carefully pull the lash off of the magnetic strip. Just like when you're applying other lashes, what I like to do is actually bend this a little bit. It's probably not the best thing for the lash, but the thing is when you're bending the lash, it's making it into a better round shape to fit on your eye better. So with these magnetic lashes, they kind of bend in the middle, so be careful, but I still think it's helpful to bend it. It's gonna fit on better. This one has 6 magnets. You can still trim it just like regular lashes. And then you're basically going in and you're just sticking your lash with the magnets onto that magnetic liner. And just like when you're applying lashes with glue, you kind of just want to make sure it's on there really well. And there you go. I would say that using the magnetic lashes, at least these particular magnetic lashes, with the magnetic liner is easier actually than glue. I think with glue, you can do a little bit more adjusting, whereas with these magnetic lashes, you definitely want to try really hard to get it applied to magnetic liner correctly and just leave it there. You're not going to be wanting to take it off and on. I think that would get a little bit messy, but overall, I think they're really easy to apply. And if you have issues with glue, like I have very sensitive eyes. I have a little bit of an inflammation condition with my eyes. So I think the magnetic is less irritating than glue. It's still not perfect. Like it still is a lot of work to get off this magnetic liner. Same kind of issue I have with glue is that like sometimes it's really hard to get that off, but like in a very delicate way where it doesn't bother your eyes. But overall, I definitely love them, and I think it's a huge step in the right direction. It might be easier for you to apply and might be less irritating to your eyes. You might like it better. You kind of just have to try it out and see for yourself. So that is how you apply glamnetic lashes. And also I will mention, most of the time, like a lot of times I use lily lashes, and I would usually always have to trim these lashes. But with these glamnetic, I was able to keep the entire lash, at least for the lush lash, and it fits on my eye. If not, you can trim off a magnet to make it shorter if it doesn't fit your eye correctly, but at least so far, like the lush lashes are the only ones I've tried so far, and those do fit my eyes really well. So have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.